are working on the garden today. So yesterday, Isla and Dad got the this garden bed done. We were putting topsoil on it and weeding. Today we got this weeded and some topsoil on it. There's our little bit of rhubarb that's coming up. So we got probably 8 inches of topsoil on there. Dad will pick up some more. And me and Isla, when she shows up, are going to be weeding this garden bed. So let's get right to it. So we finished putting dirt in the garden bed and filling these so we can plant some strawberries in them. We were gonna get a ton of strawberries so we could plant hopefully a strawberry plant in each one of these on each one of these raised beds. So we have 3. So that's gonna be an awful lot of strawberries if they all grow. They might not. Our rhubarb is right there. As it keeps growing up, we'll be putting more and more of this really good soil under it, and just until it's level with all this other dirt. So after this, probably tomorrow, we're going to be using that and these, and we're going to be putting a fence up all around here and over at the herb garden. Alrighty, here. Now we have this very large trailer full of dirt. So we're going to spread it over both gardens. So, yep, we're gonna get started on that. What we're doing now is I can just do that, or not how we were doing it earlier. Pouring dirt into the holes and then packing it down just like that. Let's see that. So we're packing it down so that we'll go around and do that, and then we will come back and put some loose dirt back on top. We're packing it down so that it will keep the cinder blocks stable. done filling all the cells, so now we are going to fill up the, sorry, brain dead. Buffering. We are going to fill up the garden bed with this amazing dirt, loamy stuff. Alrighty, so we got this bed mostly done. As you can hopefully see, there is about a quarter of it that doesn't have dirt on it. That's mostly because we ran out of dirt in the trailer. And but we got this bed all done, so we're feeling really good. So hopefully we can get some more dirt and fill this up tomorrow and start putting some fencing up and planting strawberries and whatever else we're gonna plant. Can't really remember what we're gonna plant, but that's our plan. Good first day preparing for whatever the heck is gonna happen. Here we have a bunch of brush piles. Hi, Jam. It's our dog, Jammer. We were cutting this all from like right in there, clearing out some space for the roadies. This is the herb garden. We're going to be planting herbs, mostly kind of from the middle to here. And then we're going to plant later this spring, we're going to plant a row of corn along here because we're going to put a fence up all around except for like a gate right over there, I think. We have 2 rows of potatoes right here. We have the Yukon Gold and the russet potatoes. And then along here, we're going to plant 2 rows of corn. And, there's going to be a mound of dirt on each thing for the corn, and on that we're going to plant some beans, some pole beans, so they can, grow on the corn. So yeah, we did a lot of work on this over the last week. Well, since Saturday, so 4 days, 5 days. Got this all tilled and weeded. Got the posts up to mark out the corners, and we will be working on both the gardens more tomorrow.